we are giving chiropractic adjustment to his cervical region. He is suffering with disc bulge and listhesis since 1 year. He is having chronic pain due to compression in his cervical vertebra. With Y-strap chiropractic technique, we are trying to decompress the compression which is occurring in his cervical vertebra. Once the decompression effect starts, naturally the pain subsides. Gradually you will see this is a chiropractic technique which is available only in Sozo Clinic, Mandaguda, Jagir, Hyderabad. Thank you.